Welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook firecracker rice. So let's come and have a look at the ingredient what I've got today. So the ingredient I got today is yellows and raised sweet peppers, spring onion, and a really hot chili there, and Muchroom, really small pieces that I cut, carrot, as white onion. Also in this bowl we got some mushroom sauce and sesame oil, and this is Japanese 7 spice. You can find it in Asian shop. So now we're going to hop to the hob and then cook all the vegetable here. So first I'm going to cook some carrot. Have some oil in there. So I'm not going to use extra oil today because I got sesame oil already. So as my carrot will take longer time to cook, so I start cooking carrot first, and then after that I will put some onion into it. So I sauteed the carrot for a few minutes, and I'm gonna add some white onion. So after a few more minutes, I'm going to add some sweet peppers. So I use yellow and red today. You can use any colors you like. So at this step, I'm going to add some mushroom sauce, the rest of the mushroom sauce and sesame oil. Continue to cook until the peppers go quite soft, and then add some Muchroom last. So now I'm going to add the Muchroom and fresh chili. This will make it really hot and spicy and fire. So it's really important, so we can't cook this dish without this. So I'm going to add the Japanese 7 spice. You can add that much or add little what you like. So if you add more, that's going to be more spicy because it got a bit of pepper in it. So this finished, so we're gonna serve with rice. So this is how I made it, so we're gonna dish it up now. I'm going to serve it with rice. And then I'm going to decorate it with spring onion and sesame seeds and Japanese 7 spice. Here you go, the firecracker rice. So this is the firecracker rice that I made this week, so I hope you enjoyed this video. please do try to make it at home. Really easy, really simple to make. And if you fancy the tofu or tempeh or anything like that, you can add on as well. So, but today I just have a all vegetable for day. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.